Sir, can you help me?
Dalawa.
It's cold and I'm nowhere to sleep. There's somewhere you can tell me. He walks on, doesn't look back.
Lumalabas yung wudo.
He pretends he can't hear her.
Ilagay natin 2,500.
Starts to whistle as he
Ito naman tayo
crosses
sa
the street.
silik.
Seems embarrassed to be there.
Yan. Kano
Oh,
gusto mo ilagay?
think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in
1,000.
paradise. Oh,
1,500.
think twice, 'cause it's another day for you,
5,000.
you and me in paradise.
6,000. 500. 1,000.
Think about it,
1,500. 2,000. 5,000. Yan. Nag-iwit siya ng ano.
she calls out to the man on the
Yan.
street.
Yan natin ilagay natin. 2,500. Para inig oil change, mag-change ulit, lumalabas naman yung oil change. Yun, iset natin. Select, tapos set ito, iset natin. Set na. Tapos lumalabas pa rin yung ano, nandyan pa rin yung ano, nandyan pa rin yung oil change. Ito mga idolo. I-off natin yung ignition, yung susian dito. I-off natin yan. Tapos dito sa set, wag niyo bitawan mo ng mga idol pag hindi niyo ma-on yung ignition. Mga 10 minutes siguro, mga 10 minutes. Press tayo dito sa set. 10 minutes. Hindi natin 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Yan. Yan. Iwan natin yung ignition. Iwan natin. Iwan natin. Okay. No? Tingnan mo. Nawala na yung oil change. Oh, nawala na yung oil change. Yung kulay dilaw dyan. Na. Pop, bitaw. Off ulit. Off natin ulit yung ignition.